Welcome to phase one of upgrades on Tae's beautiful Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory Speed White limited edition. Look at this thing in the sun, blue skies, gorgeous. I don't know, this could be the best looking RSV4 1100 yet. I'm gonna give you a close-up of all the upgrades we've done so far, then I'll let you in on what we have planned for phase two. Real quick thank you to Tae. Tae, it's been a real pleasure working with you from the very beginning with trading in your R1 and this whole process, and I really can't wait for phase two. So thank you, sir. Now let's get back in. Okay, starting with the exhaust. AKRAPOVIC slip-on exhaust, carbon fiber muffler, carbon fiber hanger, which eliminates the passenger peg. And yes, it's a slip-on titanium connecting pipe. Love it. I am gonna turn it on for you guys in a second. It does have the baffle in right now, but it will not for phase two. I'll turn it on for you in a minute. Rear sets. You've seen these before already recently. I think we put these on Jesse's RSV4 Speed White. And quick correction on that bike. That bike actually went to Tennessee. I think I said Indiana. Anyway, it made it to him safely. He's loving it. Thank you, Jesse. So, Extreme Components rear sets. Billet aluminum. These are my favorite rear sets because of the length of the foot peg. They look good. And on the left side, the shifter pedal is just clean, unlike some others we've seen. This is in the regular shift pattern. So a quick comment about rear sets. So I was chatting with Professor Wellman about these rear sets, and we thought it would be so good if Spider Racing and Extreme Components made a little love and had a rear set offspring, which would make these a little thicker, a little stiffer, but we would have the length and we would have the clean shifting mechanism. Just a thought. While we're on the left side of the motorcycle, 520 conversion kit, a little lighter, and we shorten the gearing ratio for earlier access to that power band around the streets of Los Angeles, and hopefully a track day with us soon. Evotech Italy frame sliders. They fit this generation RSV4 perfectly. You can choose different colors of that inner piece. We stick to black. But look, from here, you don't really notice them unless you're looking for them, but they stick out just enough to protect the engine, the fairing, the foot controls. In case of a spill, you can hopefully continue on your way. Well, NRC tail tidy, this is embarrassing. This light section was nearly falling off, and I believe that's because we were right in the middle of putting on the license plate. But yeah, either the nuts were a little loose and I took it without checking that, but in any case we have some nuts there. So NRC tail tidy, always in the tuck position. You don't have the option of what I call a standard position that would like stick out here, but there it is. I'll show you the turn signals. There you go. Beautiful. It's hard to beat that. It really is. I do hope that a company like Competition Works or someone else makes a tail tidy or fender eliminator like the old Competition Works for the previous generation Aprilia V4s, just because it's in the standard position and it's just super clean. Anyway, we'll see. We'll keep an eye out for something like that. What else? Rizoam 3D adjustable folding levers. Very adjustable, what I call here the micro adjustability with that knob, and matching clutch lever, of course. So quick comment about these levers. Here's something that you can't see, you have to ride it, but what I noticed while riding this motorcycle on the way here is how easily the levers slide up and down when you're applying them against your leather glove. It just glides, and the contour, the shape of the front of that lever is just seamless. There's a lot of levers out there that are not as seamless, not as smooth, and don't just slide nicely as you're applying the levers. Keep that in mind next time you're maybe on your bike or testing or looking for other levers. If there's a bike in the showroom you can kind of test out, put some gloves on and try the actual, lever action and see how it feels to you. But I love these. Very smooth, seamless. Hand controls are very sensitive, delicate, and that kind of detail, in my opinion, makes a difference. Spider Racing keyless gas cap, love those. They're on all the Aprilia racing special bikes like the RSV4X, 210X, and the incoming X Trenta Puig or Puig tall clear windscreen. In my opinion, nothing else really makes sense unless you're just going for that dark. Oh wow, there's two of these. There you go. Tae decide whether or not he wants to keep that logo sticker on there. What else? Am I missing anything? Before I give you the phase 2 plan, extreme components, engine case covers. Love these. Why? Just like the Spider Racing, they're very minimal. They're designed for the impact areas there. See that added material, billet aluminum, just clean, quality, beautiful machine work there. You can see that in the sunlight. Extreme components clutch cover on the left side. You see some coverage there. Frame slider on the left side. Am I forgetting anything? I don't think so. I'm gonna start the bike in a second. That was only to about 7,000 or 8,000 RPMs because we are just prepping the bike. So phase 2, what to expect. The baffle will be out. We'll also add a little race map, some radiator guards, stay tuned for which brand, a little carbon fiber, maybe a lot of carbon fiber, and what else? Maybe a couple of other things, but for sure those. Also for the phase 2 video will be an onboard portion, but not on this video because my GoPro helmet I left at home, but it did give me an opportunity to bring out this basically brand new Shoei X14. Eventually I'll convert this to my GoPro helmet, but before then, guys, serious question. I need a new helmet. Should I get the new Shoei X15 or the new Alpine Stars R10? Comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, huge thanks to Tae. Thank you, sir. Can't wait to continue this motorcycle journey with you. And y'all, don't forget to subscribe. Watch one of these 2 videos. Subscribe here, comment below. Thank you so much. See you soon.